Hello friends, welcome to the Techly Z channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Z790 ROG Maximus BTF Hero Hidden Connector Motherboard. So friend, ASUS has introduced the Z790 ROG Maximus BTF Hero Motherboard to its BTF series, reported by IT House on 19th March. And friend, the product is available for purchase. And friend, the pricing is €799 and friend. The motherboard features PCIe 5.0 16 slot as a standard and include an additional PCIe power connector enabling deliver up to 600 watts of power to graphics card. This capability is particularly noteworthy for users requiring high power output for advanced graphics application. Designed with enthusiasts in mind, the ROG Z790 Maximus BTF Hero is derivative of Z790 Dark Hero motherboard, and it distinguishes itself by relocating all ports to the rear of the board, enhancing accessibility and cable management. And friend, the technical specification of the motherboard includes support for Wi-Fi 7, Q code and QLED diagnosis for troubleshooting, and 23-phase VRM power subsystem. The power design is articulated as 20 plus 1 plus 2 phases, with each phase capable of handling up to 90 amperes and ensuring robust and reliable power delivery for high performance computing tasks. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.